Hi guys, what's up? I am now in my most peaceful state, and I thought of this video to share something deeper to you, deeper in a sense, in a conscious level. I just recently figured out about life. Just one fruit. I feel connected to it. Does that make sense to you? Let me just give it a try. So, when I smell the fruit, when I pay attention, when I'm using all my senses before eating this fruit, it feels like I am the fruit. It feels like I'm connected with this fruit. It feels like it's a miracle just to be able to eat this fruit. And you know what's fascinating? I am a miracle too. If you're thinking about how much cells you have and all the systems and everything that's happening into your body from your digestion, from your thinking, from your mind, from your nervous system, your reproductive system, all the systems that you have, trust me, you're a miracle. So believe that. It's amazing when you pay attention in life, you'll see how much you are connected with trees, with leaves, with everything. They say that people relate to you or connect with you for who they are, for when maybe going through with the same path. Because I get it. I get it because when I was younger or I didn't have much experience, I couldn't connect with people who are much deeper or who have more experience than me. I just can't. I don't understand why. But if we remain curious and we observe and we pay attention, then you'll see. So I'm gonna enjoy this persimmon. That's a sacred time for me to replenish, to nourish my body. Let me enjoy that time. So guys, it was Rafiki in Lion King where he was on a small pond and he was catching a fish, and I think Mufasa was there and he caught the fish, and then he said it's not yet time. So we're heavily conditioned from like eating on the right time, following such a pattern. And even sometimes, even for me, like I would eat when I'm not hungry just because I crave for something. I will eat if I'm doing something and I'm bored or what, I'll crave for food even if it's not time to eat. I appreciate now eating when it's really time to eat. That's actually a wisdom that you can use, because cravings, these are the cravings that we can't stop, and then we also feel guilty about it in a sense that after we eat, oh, I'm feeling uncomfortable because I'm so full and it's affecting my mind, how I think. Or we guilt ourselves of, oh my god, I ate sweets again and I just can't stop. When you learn how to harmonize and balance and being conscious of your actions, you'll be surprised just by observing and creating like an experiment every day of how conscious you are with your actions. Almost half of it. Did you know I can see the universe from this fruit? Sounds crazy, huh? Might be thinking EJ's already going nuts. But truly, I am fascinated beyond words. I cannot even explain to you that just eating this fruit alone makes me feel connected to the fruit, makes me feel connected about the universe. And it's hard to contemplate that if you are in a survival mode. I was not like this before. It was really tough, especially like I said, when you're in survival, because there are pressing needs for our lives, our jobs, our food. We need to sustain ourselves, shelter, clothing, our kids, our responsibilities. But if you get out of that pattern and a part of you must die and you're reborn, you are in a realm of creation and possibilities.